Greetings to respected jury members of Jignasa study project. My name is Nagnayak, studying BA third year in Kerala Government Degree College in Kovada of Surabaya district.
My name is Acharya. I am studying BA first year in KRR College, Kovada.
My name is Pujita, BA first year, KRR College from Kola.
As a part of the Jignasa student study project, we selected cashless economy in India and impact of demonetization of small and medium business. So, what is cashless means? A cashless economy refers to a system where digital transactions, electronic forms of payment, such cards, mobile wallets, and online transfer replace physical cash transaction. In this economy, the electronic representation of money is promoted over transactions by the physical notes and coins.
Objective of this cashless economy in India. Indian government introduction of cashless economy on December 15, 2016. To have a better understanding of the notion of a cashless economy and how it was progressed. The purpose of this project to investigate Indians move to a cashless economy which began with a demonetization. To determine of the purpose, benefits and potential drawbacks of a cashless economy of Indian small and medium-sized business.
Despite government efforts, we have seen some progress in the implementation of cashless economy. Customers and merchants that use digital payment instruments for the personal consumption expenditures will be rewarded with cash awards under two programs announced on December 5, 2016. All personal consumer spending in India is conducted in cash, which severely restricts government revenue collection and taxation. So Russian rupee transaction rose from 3.8 million to 16 million on November 8. E-wallet transaction rose from 17 million to 63 million. UPI transaction rose to 48,238. USSD transaction rose to 1263. And point of sale transaction rose from 50.2 million to 98.1 million. Merits of cashless economy in India. We no need to print currency. Financial burden is reduced on government. It gives skillful employment. It gives manageable transaction. It increases economic significantly. At any point of time, transaction is possible. It curbs corruption and black money. We can keep record as a proof. Demerits of cashless economy in India. Most of the people lack smartphone and laptop. Lack of proper internet and laptop and smartphone transaction is not possible. 70% of the people of India from rural background, so they are unable to operate digital payment. There is no chance of cyber attack and transaction.
Conclusion: when discussing cashless economies, we shifted our attention to India's efforts to implement a cashless economy and digital habits. Cashless economies are being conducted by policymakers, academies and enterprises throughout the world. Cashless economy is utilized to provide a transparent and clean economic environment in a technology-dominated society. For the digital transaction cycle to be fully completed, companies and consumers must change their thinking. Financial infrastructure must be constructed.
Start.
We are very thankful to our supervisors Ramarao sir and Saidul sir and Principal sir who cooperated in the making of this project. Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Thank you all.